What's up, YouTube, man? Zayto, man. Back in this bit, man. Back with a whole nother video, man. Make sure y'all niggas go like, share, and subscribe, man. Y'all niggas haven't already done so, man. Make sure y'all niggas go tap in with all the recents, all that, man. You feel me? On the road to 2,000 subs, gang. You feel me? All that good shit, man. Birthday September the 7th, man. All that shit. Really just been taking it easy, gang. But y'all, gang, today's video, man, really just hitting y'all with a freeform dread update, gang. Nah, it's been, I don't even want to sit here and cap to y'all, but it's been about, I want to say about 7 months that I can recall since I've been, you know, sponging, twisting. But let me just put y'all on G what a young nigga been doing, man. So, you feel me? I really just been doing the same thing, gang. Like, I've been hitting that bit with the sponge, all that. You feel me? This one right here. This and this, gang. That's all I've been doing, gang. But to keep it real, I was thinking about making my junk thicker. So I was probably just gonna like get wicks again. But last time, like I said, the only thing I would recommend highly if you don't want to mess your hair up later down the line, stay away from using rubber bands, gang. Like, dead ass. Cause if y'all look at any of my old videos and y'all pay close attention to the ends, that junk kind of had my ends breaking off. And then on top of that, I had my junk dyed. This set really probably not even gonna dye my junk. I'm probably just gonna let it just grow, you know. But I don't know, on some crazy shit, I was really thinking about starting up a hair channel on some shit. I don't know, green shit, but you know, shit, my shit getting back right. Like, no cap, like, my shit getting back right. But, you know, I got, like, I wouldn't say I got mixed hair and no shit like that. But, you know, my shit kind of grow weird type shit. But it's just really been, you feel me? I just keeping that shit simple. Like, I washed my shit like a week and a half ago type shit. But when I wash it, I usually just sit under the shower and I just sponge. Like, literally just sponge. And then when I get out the shower, I grab this. Don't mind it. But I grab this right here and I put it over my head type shit. And I just let it sit. Like that, I just let it sit. And you know, a lot of niggas be saying like, well, you need to stay away from certain products you don't need to use. But honestly, I feel like this right here, and I'm gonna keep showing this bit every video. It's not too thick on your hair and it's not too light, but you feel me? It'll get the job done type shit, cause you still need your shit to make oils and keep your shit moisturized and good shit like that. Cause I be seeing some niggas, they don't be doing shit to their hair. But, you know, bro, it's just been shit, you feel me? On the back end, like shit, I really just been chilling and taking this shit easy, gang. Like, I don't know, I guess I'm transitioning to some new shit. It's just been a lot of shit going on, gang. Like, real shit. I ain't even gonna sit here and bullshit with y'all niggas. But shit, the show must go on type shit. And like I said, man, I appreciate everybody. I apologize for not uploading like that, man. You feel me? But just certain things a young nigga just been, like, you know, type shit. But, you know, shit, I had to shave for shit show because my shit was starting to grow back. So I just got done shaving and shit. I'm probably gonna cut my hair later on, bro. I really don't even know. Be all the way 1,000, bro. But I don't know, dog. Shout out to everybody, man. I hope everybody been straight, man. YouTube, TikTok, all that. I ain't really been on Instagram. I'm not on Instagram. So if y'all been trying to find me on Instagram and another nigga pop up with Zaycho904 or Zaycho YouTube, that's not fucking me, cuz. I swear to God. So if it's not me posting on my shit and I don't say that's me, it's not me, gang. Don't follow that page, gang. I don't know what. I only had one backup account, but shit, I ain't really been messing with social media, bro. I'm really just finna go back. Like, I'm really just finna go back to my old ways, gang. Like, not fucking with nobody. Like, on something like, it's not even nobody, but like, a lot of shit just, you know, like I said, bro. Like I said, gang. I'm just going back to just seeing shit, you know. I ain't even really been young nigga clear-minded right now, gang. So, you know, I'm seeing everything for what it is. Like, I'm not, what, I don't want to say it on YouTube and I get banned. I'm not smoking as much as I was in the old videos type shit. So, a lot of shit is really just like, I feel it more type shit, you know? And I'm trying to stay off of that junk for a good little minute, gang. I ain't even gonna cap. But, you feel me? Like I said, show must go on, shit. Like I said, man, I appreciate everybody who really be watching the videos and be tapped in with a young nigga, man. Another thing about the dreads, try when you starting off, try as much as possible not to get your hair wet, cause your shit gonna unravel. Like my shit right now, the only ones that really don't unravel is the ones in the back. And every time I grew my dreads out, it's always been like that. Like the ones in the back lock up quicker than the ones in the front. The ones on the sides might lock up quicker. You feel me? But it's hair at the end of the day. But with these dreads, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know. I just wonder how these bitches gonna turn out. Cause I'm really not gonna use rubber bands, as y'all can see. Like, I'm just gonna let it go natural, dog. Just let it go natural. And then when that shit get to like, I really say December. I really say December is when niggas gonna start seeing the change in my shit. But, like I said, just stay consistent sponging. Like, got 2 sponges out this bit. I got 2 sponges out this bit, man. Let me stop. But that ass though, like, one of them I use for like when I'm in the shower, and then one of them I just use when I'm out and about and I gotta get my shit right quick. But that moisturizer spray, definitely get your shit right if your shit be looking rough in the morning. Cause nigga, if you anything like me, nigga, I sleep crazy as shit. So like that shit be looking kinda weird. And shit, you know, I still got the legendary, you feel me? Still got the legendary. This bitch been through it all with a nigga like shit. This bitch done broke on mine. And you know what's crazy? I don't see these type sponges no more. Like I really don't see these type sponges no more. But I started this what I got right now, I started with this. And I was like, fuck it. I'm not really seeing no change. I'm not seeing no difference. So I was like, fuck it. I went and bought another one. Nah, the brand I use is called Red Premium. I don't know if it's the same in every hair store, every city. I don't know. I really can't tell you. But what I do know is it's gonna do the same thing. As long as you stand consistent with your hair and keeping up with it, taking care of it, bro, your hair gonna do what it's gonna do, bro. But really, hair, to me, it's like a plant. Shit, it grow as long as you water it and you treat it good. But, shit, gang, I don't know, twin. Shit, young niggas just really been out there bit cooling the vibing and shit, gang. Like, just been a lot of shit. I don't know. Like, I appreciate all my subscribers, though, on some real talk. I got so much planned for the channel. There's been a lot on my mind that where I ain't really been wanting to upload videos like that, gang. I can't even fake with y'all. I wish I could explain it on the video, but for purposes, I'm not gonna really get too much and touch bases on it right now. And shit, it is what it is. But hey, man, if y'all niggas ain't gonna fuck the recent TikTok, man, go fuck the recent TikTok, man. I'm trying to get back into doing the skits. Trying to get back to being consistent with the skits. So, gang, all I really ask for y'all niggas to do, gang, just drop a like. Just drop a like. Shit, music, all that good shit. Like, I'm trying to get back on the music and shit, too. Shit, probably gonna get more tattooed for a young nigga birthday on some shit. But really, dog, to all my young niggas, man, stay focused, cuz whatever the fuck you going through, nigga, just stay focused. Just stay focused. Just stay focused, gang. Just stay focused, man. Shout out to all my goddamn out-of-towners and shit. Had one nigga hit me up on goddamn comments. Nigga was from motherfucking Georgia. I'm like, damn, I didn't even know niggas in Georgia look at my shit. Like, it's only like a couple people type shit, but like, you know, on the YouTube analytics, and y'all know what a young nigga trying to say, man. Just chill. But shit, most of my motherfucking content, fucking viewers be coming from motherfucking out of town. That shit don't be from Jacksonville. And it show a nigga like shit. I don't know, like I said, gang, I don't know what video gonna be the one to really get a nigga, you know, but I just know it's coming, gang. And I appreciate y'all niggas in advance, you feel me? Like, I ain't even gonna edit this video. This shit raw and uncut. When this shit drop, it just drop, you feel me? But I ain't know too much of nothing, man. Shit, I'm just really cool in the vibe, man. Taking it easy, man. Shit, shout out to my nigga Rack, man. More videos coming with his ass soon. For sure, man. For sure, man. But crochet hook, I only hit the bit with the crochet hook every now and then type shit. Just if I'm like, cause one of my dreads I had to like combine them, and cause that bit was starting to break off on the ends and shit. I think that only happened whenever you get it too wet. Then that bit just start. I don't know. But shit, I don't know. We gonna see where it go, man. But I was really just updating y'all, man, because it's been a little minute, man. But like I said, man, my birthday's September the 7th. Appreciate everybody in advance. Shit, if you a hating that nigga, fuck you. You a weird ass weirdo, fuck you. I love everybody. I appreciate everybody, gang. But, you feel me? I ain't know too much of nothing, man. Shit. Zayto in that bitch, man. Shit. Make sure y'all nigga like, share, subscribe, man. Drop all that shit, man. Until the next video, man, I'm gone.